Well, Tesla is a top trending ticker on Yahoo Finance this morning. Shares moving to the upside in pre-market trading, up just about 0.7%. The move higher coming after its fourth quarter delivery numbers topped expectations. Pras Subramanian joining us now at the table. Pras, there was lots of questions about whether or not Tesla was going to reach not only its fourth quarter goal, but its yearly goal. And it looks like this was enough to get it there.
Yeah, just barely here. Just the numbers just crossing right now. Delivery wise, 484,000 for the quarter, beating estimates of 483,000 compiled by Bloomberg. Production wise, 494,000, almost 495,000 vehicles compared to 482, so a big beat there. They made a lot of Model 3s and Model Ys during the quarter. Both they don't break out regionally, so you don't know where they're made, but definitely made more in China and the U.S. and Fremont as well. For comment and context here, for the year, 1.81 million cars now for the year globally. That's 38% higher than a year ago. So not a little bit below that 50% compound annual growth rate, which we knew that they were not going to hit because of factory shutdowns and tweakings and things like that. But production sloped 35% year over year to 1.85 million. That's some strong numbers there. No one is really making EVs like they are, except for BYD in China, which I know we're going to talk about. But.
Well, that's the exact question, right? To what extent does Tesla have to worry about some of those other names here?
Yeah, so in this quarter, in Q4, BYD made 526,000 pure EVs. In the quarter. That's obviously more than what Tesla made. For the year, Tesla is still higher, right, for the pure EV numbers, not just hybrid. So still a ways to go, but they're catching them for sure. And we talk about BYD. Look, they're not just China. There's 70 countries around the globe, expanding in Europe a lot. Mexico too. So there's going to be a lot of pressure on Tesla to sort of, how are they going to meet their growth rates if China is already or BYD is sort of eating into their competition?
Yeah, and it just also shows how dominant China is in the EV market, how big of a player they are, obviously not only in terms of some of the demand that they're seeing within China, but what that global growth picture looks like and how much pressure a lot of these companies could be under here.
Right, exactly. I mean, the China story continues to be such an important narrative, particularly as that growth just hasn't come back the way that a lot of the folks on the street that we talked to had anticipated.